Hello everybody, my name is BDFO and welcome back to a brand new LEGO Technic build. Today, the 2-in-2-in-1 for LEGO Technic 42050 is Drag Racer, the Supercharged Dragster at the back here coming in today. This looks even longer than the Drag Racer and much more open. You'll have to excuse the loose parts scattered around the screen currently, as there are quite a lot and I haven't really got much space to hide them. The Drag Racer from last week has been stripped apart as I've only got one box. I'm ready to build today's Supercharged Dragster, coming out at 647 pieces across 157 steps. So divide, they get roughly 4.1 pieces per section on average for today's build. It's cost me only £30 from Facebook Marketplace on Easter. I got this quite a while back. A quick overview of the box. Once again, on the front is the original Drag Racer from last week. On the top here, one-to-one of the tyre with the Technic logo and the Drag Racer. On the right-hand side, pretty much the same. On the seal side, pretty much the same. And underneath is legal. On the back, the power functions, today's conversion, and some more images of the Drag Racer. So without further ado, let's get straight to the build for today. The Supercharged Dragster, the 2-in-2-in-1 for 42050. Enjoy. An easy full-on complete build for LEGO product 42050's 2-in-1, the Technic Drag Racer Supercharged Dragster Edition. This is really nice, even longer than the regular Drag Racer, and just as cool. The sheer length of this car itself is quite outstanding. It must be about 50 centimeters long, maybe just as long with the Drag Racer, actually, I'm not too sure. It looks longer from here. Everything moves as it should, the wheels move perfectly, the engine works, steering mechanism, powered by here. Like how there are the chains around here. That's very cool. Very nice little touch. About an hour and 30 minutes to build. Yeah, very quite simple. I really quite like this. It's not a difficult build at all. Very straightforward. I love the way that they make the exhaust for this. You know, the tubes and everything. It's such a cool feature. Thoroughly enjoyable build. I'm so glad I got the set, especially with the price is now reaching up to £200 in some places. And I got this for £30. Sometimes you just gotta take a steal when you can get one. As always, if your thoughts down below, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Would you build the set? Is it for you? Do you like it? Do you hate it? How do you feel about it? Look at the wing here moves as well. I didn't mention that just now, but I would have shown you in the edit. With that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.